friends, welcome back to my channel Nita's Fun Interiors. Everyone loves to decor their home. So today I have bought for you a ring wall hanging, and all the materials required for this is easily available at home. So let's begin. Take a metal ring. I want to change the color of this ring. So I will do spray paint of a golden color. Here it is. Now take a metallic golden color sheet and draw butterfly on the back side. To make few butterflies in 3D and cut it. I have made one glittery butterfly and the other plain butterfly. We can place them separately also. Take a thick sheet and cut it in the shape of crescent moon roughly. And paste it in the bottom of the ring. Now stick all the butterflies on it in a wonderful way. I have added 3 different blue color butterflies to break the monotony of the color and to add a point of attraction. Have a look. This wall hanging is very simple and easy to make, and it will enhance your entire room. Please like, subscribe, share this video with your family and the friends. Thanks for your precious time. Better living begins at home.